Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to use a partial gift card balance on Amazon. This is incredibly useful when you have a gift card that doesn't quite cover your entire purchase, allowing you to combine it with another payment method to complete your order seamlessly. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. After logging in, you'll be directed to the Amazon homepage where you can start shopping or review items you've already added to your cart. Now head to the upper right corner of the screen and click on Cart. This will take you to your shopping cart where you can see all the items you've added. Alternatively, if you haven't added anything yet, you can browse products using the search bar at the top of the page. Take your time finding what you need before moving forward. If you have multiple items in your cart but only want to purchase some of them, simply uncheck the box next to the items you don't want to buy right now. This gives you control over what you're purchasing without having to remove items entirely from your cart. Once you've reviewed everything and you're satisfied with your selection, look for the Proceed to Checkout button in the right panel. Click on it to move forward with your purchase. This will take you to the checkout process where you'll finalize all your order details. Next, you'll need to select your delivery address. Amazon will show you any saved addresses, or you can add a new one if needed. Make sure the address is correct since this is where your order will be shipped. After confirming your address, look for the option to apply your gift card balance. If you already have a gift card associated with your account, you should see a checkbox for gift card balance. Check this box and your partial balance will automatically apply to your order. If you have a gift card code that hasn't been added yet, enter the code in the designated field and click Apply. This will deduct whatever amount is available on your gift card from your total. Now here's the important part. Since your gift card doesn't cover the full amount, you'll need to select another payment method for the remaining balance. Under Payment Method, choose a credit or debit card to cover what's left after your gift card is applied. Amazon makes this transition seamless, so you won't have to worry about calculating anything yourself. Finally, review all your order details one last time to ensure everything looks correct: your items, delivery address, and payment methods. When you're ready, click Place Your Order. Your order will be processed and you'll receive a confirmation shortly after. And that's it. You've successfully used your partial gift card balance on Amazon along with another payment method to complete your purchase. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.